If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where you are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on indefinite integral portion only. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 15a, question number 27, question number 29 and 33. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Next, if you come to question number 15a, I is given this one and j is given this one for any arbitrary constant that the value of j minus I. So what will be j minus I? If you put j, this is your j, this is your I, so j minus I of this format. Okay, so now this one, what we can write, minus 4x means 1 by 4x, minus 2x means 1 by 2x. So if you take LCM, e to the power 4x will come, so in the numerator it will be e to the power 3x of this fashion, and if you club this together it will be of this fashion. Okay, so here you have to take something of this format, obviously e to the power, so that the numerator, if you take as a substitution, you can do differentiation should come in the numerator. If you take e to the power x common, it is e to the power 2x minus 1, and then e to the power, you can write it 4x, then 2x, then this. Okay, it is good. Now if you take e to the power x, so you can write it t square minus 1 divided by t square plus t plus 1. If you take e to the power x equal to dt, because e to the power x dx will become dt, so it will be of this fashion. So you always remember, if in the numerator denominator it is even power difference, then that is, what is the difference between numerator denominator? 4 and 2. So difference is 4 minus 2. So if that the difference is of even power, then you always divide by t square. So if you divide by t square, it will be 1 by t square, and this one. Now if you can make it, I think you know this one, it is t plus 1 by 2 whole square. If you do a square plus b square plus 2ab is this will get cancelled 2 bit, but here plus 1 is there, so you put minus 1. I am writing it this way, t square plus 1 by t whole square plus 2 into t into 1 by t, because I have given 2 extra, so minus 2 plus 1, so ultimately it is minus 1, and this is t plus 1 by 2 whole square. So what is the benefit? If you take this one as a t, this one if you take z, then this will be dz, because t differentiation is 1 by t is 1 minus 1 by t square, so this into dt will be dz by z square minus 1. You can write it 1 by z minus 1 z plus 1. You can make it partial fraction, so these two different part, ultimately it will be a log 1 by z minus 1, it will be minus log z minus 1, it will be log z plus 1, because it is minus, log it will be divide. Finally you put the value of z. What is z? Z is equal to t plus 1 by t, and what is t plus 1 by t is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. So you put all these value, first z to t, then t to e to the power x. Ultimately your answer will look like this. If you do LCM, it will be option C. Next, if you come to question number 27, the integral this one. So this one, I think you know, you take sec x plus 10x as an t, then you will find something in the format of, in the numerator or denominator you will find. Let's put this one, because sec x plus 10x differentiation is, you can take sec x common, so sec plus 10 will come, it will cancel it out numerator, so it will be little easier. Suppose if I take sec x plus 10x equal to y, so sec x is sec x 10x, 10x is sec square x dx equal to y. If you take sec x common, sec x into 10x plus dx is equal to dy. Now to introduce this one in the here, so I have this, there is already 2 sec x is already there, because it is sec square, and you need 1 plus sec plus 10, so I have introduced 1 sec plus 10. So if I introduce here also, I have to introduce here, so numerator it will be plus 1, so it was 7 by 2, so it will be, sorry, it was 9 by 2, so if you add 2, then it will be 11 by 2, 9 plus 1, 11 by 2, 9 by 2 plus 1, that will be 11 by 2. So this entire thing will become dy, and it will be, what is sec, what will be the value of sec x? Now if you take sec x plus 10x equal to y, you know sec plus 10, whatever, sec minus t is inverse of this one, because sec square minus 10 square is 1, so it will be 1 by y. So if you take LCM, then sec x equal to y plus 1 by y by 2, so that is sec y plus 1 by y by 2, sec plus 10, this one already y, so you put it like this. Now you split this by this, this by this, so this by this will be y to the power minus 9 by 2, this by 2 will be y to the minus 13 by 2. You can easily do it, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Finally you put the value of y. If you do this one, it is your option C. Next, 29 we have already discussed in JEE main, question number 7, you can check that one. Next, if you come to question number 33, what is asked here? The integral this one, 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 minus x into e to the power x plus 1 by x dx equal to. So here what you can do, you can think 1 into e to the power x plus 1 by x is this one, and then entire thing into this. So what is the, if this is your function, one formula E, always there is a tendency of using that formula, either e to the power x into fx plus f dash x, or another formula I have explained there. It was x plus x f dash dx is equal to simple xf. So you say, if you take this f And this is x into, what is the differentiation of this? E differentiation is E. X differentiation is 1. 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. What I have taken, I have given 1 extra is the input. So it is f into x into f dash. Or if you are confused with this, you keep it as it is. You split this one. You open this one as by parts. You will find one part is cancelling with this one. You can easily see that. So it is answer is x into f. So x into f is, I have considered this one. So this is your answer. That is your option C. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.